Ancient Ayurvedic medicine practices to boost immunity to fight against corona. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Nutrition for Dummies. Since the world is fighting the pandemic of COVID-19, we've thought of bringing you the very hidden and ancient Eastern herbal medical practices which are known as Ayurvedic medicine in the lands of India, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, and Myanmar, where they have ancient recipes and practices to boost immunity to fight against powerful ancient diseases from 3,000 years back. These simple but secret herbal methods are natural ways to treat our body to get strong and heal from inside to fight these unknown alien diseases like COVID-19 or the coronavirus. We will gift you with a secret ancient Sri Lankan Ayurvedic recipe at the end to prevent yourself from any and most of these viral, bacterial diseases to stay healthy and strong. Number 1. Boil a piece of ginger. Couple of cloves of garlic together with some coriander leaves for 15 to 20 minutes. Drink a cup of that boiled herbal solution. Practice this 3 times a week in the mornings or evening after you come home from work. Number 2. Boil the stem or roots of false columba with coriander leaves for 30 minutes and drink before bedtime twice a week. It will be a bit rough and sour on the tongue, so add a pinch of sugar or a couple of drops of honey to go with it. Number 3. Boil Indian gooseberries with heart-leaved mooseed for 15 minutes and drink the nutritious boiled water of the plants at least twice a week in the evening. Number 4. Prepare a cup of freshly squeezed lime juice and add 1 teaspoon of ginger juice and bee honey. Drink this after breakfast twice or thrice per week. Number 5. Boil the flowers of the bael fruit until the natural color disappears and drink once a day with a piece of jaggery. Bael fruit commonly grows in South and Southeast Asia. Number 6. Drink 1 teaspoonful of bee honey once daily in the morning following a healthy breakfast. Make sure the bee honey is original honey from a trusted source. Number 7. Boil some China rose flowers, or you may call it the shoe flower, and add a few drops of lime juice into it and drink at tea time or even at a morning snack time. Number 8. Put couscous seeds, or you may know it as poppy seeds, to a jug of water and leave it for 20 minutes in the open air. Strain the poppy seeds out and drink the water daily if you need a good dose of immunity boosters. Number 9. Make a daily habit of gargling with warm water mixed with some pepper powder. You can do this before going to bed at night and wash your throat with warm water. Number 10. And in number 10, there's a secret herbal recipe in Sri Lanka called Paspangua, herbal formula developed by ancient philosophers and monks. If you can get this herbal mixture through your friends or colleagues and boil it and drink at least once a week, you will be safe and sound with a strong immune system. These are the 5 secret ingredients of the ancient Sri Lankan herbal mixture: ginger, pathbadagam, wild eggplant, false columba, and coriander. Apart from those, some Ayurvedic practitioners may add some other herbal drugs like long pepper, Thai eggplant, Indian pavetta. Let us know if you need more explanations on these herbal medications.